moisturizer. Yeah, I suck at it. Anyways, I love this moisturizer. Next, well, the last thing I'm going to use is this Loge Pose Thermal Spring Water. Oh, and I also got two things today. We went shopping, and I got it's an essence, Benetton's basically. It's basically like a dupe. It's really cool. And the last thing I got was this blush from Essence. It's like a liquid blush with a really nice applicator. I've already used it. Now let's do my hair. Let's brush my hair and put it into a braid. Okay, I actually changed my mind and I'm going to do heatless curls. Curls are done. Now time to put on my pajamas. All nice and cozy. Bye guys.